In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Shopify POS. To begin, open your web browser and go to your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store, products, sales channels, settings, and business information. Log in using your Shopify account credentials. Make sure you are signing in to the correct store, especially if you manage more than one Shopify account. Once you are logged in, give the dashboard a moment to fully load so all of the menu options appear clearly on the screen. Now that you are inside Shopify admin, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. This sidebar is where Shopify organizes the main areas of your store. You may see options for orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, discounts, and sales channels. For this setup, you are looking for the point of sale option. This is the section that connects your Shopify store to in-person selling, so it is the key area for setting up Shopify POS. Move your attention to the sidebar and navigate to point of sale. If point of sale is already listed in your menu, click on it to open the POS area. This will take you into the section where Shopify manages the point of sale channel. The page may take a few seconds to load, especially if this is your first time opening it. Once it opens, you should be ready to continue with the setup process. If you do not see point of sale already available in the sidebar, that means the POS sales channel may not have been added to your Shopify admin yet. In that case, look for the option that says Add POS Channel. Click Add POS Channel to add point of sale to your Shopify account. This connects the POS channel to your store so you can begin setting it up for in-person selling. After clicking it, wait for Shopify to confirm or load the next setup screen. At this point, you are moving from simply opening the POS section into entering the information Shopify needs for setup. Take your time here because the details you enter help Shopify understand your business and configure the POS channel correctly. Next, add your contact information. This may include the general contact details Shopify requests during the setup process. Enter the information carefully and make sure it is accurate. Avoid using placeholder details unless you are only practicing in a test environment. Your contact information helps identify the business account and supports communication related to your Shopify POS setup. After that, continue by adding your business information. This is where you provide the details related to the business connected to your Shopify store. Fill in each required field on the screen. As you go through the form, read the labels carefully so you know exactly what Shopify is asking for. This part is important because your POS setup should match the business that will actually be using it. Once the business information is entered, continue with the opportunities information requested on the page. Enter the details into the appropriate fields and review each section before moving forward. If there are required fields, make sure none of them are left blank. A quick review at this stage can help prevent errors and save time later. When all of the requested contact, business, and opportunities information has been entered, take a final moment to look over the page. Check that the information is complete and that there are no obvious mistakes. When everything looks correct, click Submit. After you click Submit, Shopify will process the information and continue the POS setup. Once the submission is complete, your Shopify POS channel should be added or updated based on the details you provided. That covers everything you need to know.